Starting with the exterior, as you can see, of course, we have an electric awning, frameless windows, lots of storage, 30-pound propane tank, one on each side, huge storage area for all your accessories. We have double bump outs on the entry side, a huge rear storage area with a slide-out storage compartment, rear-mounted ladder for the walkable roof, and 3 bump outs on the opposite side. Also comes equipped with self-leveling jacks, 3 on each side. You also have your freshwater connection in the other side storage bay. Also comes with a MoRide 5th wheel hitch. Also includes WeatherTech Arctic insulation and key-to-light keys, which is really convenient. One key does all. Moving on into the interior, we have step above fold-down steps, which are the high-end stairs. And as you can see in this layout, we have the rear raised kitchen, full-size residential fridge, gas oven, full-size microwave, 2-compartment stainless steel sink. And as you can see, lots of storage in the kitchen area. More storage underneath with large kitchen countertops and a center island. Moving down into the living area, we have theater seating along with a pop-out couch and a second pop-out couch, along with a fireplace and a full-size 40-inch TV. More storage as you walk into the camper, along with your hidden control panel. Moving up into the bathroom area, dual sink bathroom, faucets, full-size shower, ceramic toilet, lots of extra storage in the bathroom. And as you see, we have a bump out in the bedroom also, with a camper king, laundry, full-size hanging closets, and of course access panel for TV, and more storage.